So sometimes in Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, you don't have a video clip, but you have a picture that you've inserted into the video clip editing space, and you want to make the image have more motion. And this can be accomplished quite easily by using a pan and zoom up in Tools. If we drop down the menu and select Pan and Zoom right here, it'll bring up a space where we can pick two different windows. So you'll see here we have 1 and we have 2. Now 2 is where it's going to end, 1 is where it's going to begin. And you can flip this around as well. You can also change the size of what you want to be seen. Around, and you'll see there's this line here that shows where the motion is going. So it's going to start here with 1 and it's going to move towards 2 in a linear pattern. So once you have set both 1 and 2 to the desired positions, you hit done down in the bottom right corner, and then you hit play and you see what it looks like. There, we've added some nice motion to our scene, starting with the mic and the chicken, moving towards the chicken and finishing on the chicken head. As you can see, it's quite simple to use the pan and zoom, and it really adds a lot to your videos, especially if you want to go for a documentary style or overlay images on top of your video clips, but still keep it interesting for your audience.